So as of starting this video, I'm still in the week of not doing any projects and just cleaning up. It's funny, every time I take off a week to clean up and organize, I come back with even more efficiency and ease of better workflow. And then after a week of doing projects, I have more ideas of how to refine and optimize my workshop, so I take another week off and I can go even faster. It's a testament to how optimizing your infrastructure, your workspace is really important. Well, I was gathering some of my pipe fittings and organizing them in the respective bin, and it occurred to me, these reamers that I restored, I can make a nice handle for these, and it would lock in here just by cutting across this little T-section. I could clean these up and really tighten them down, then put black enamel paint on it, and then since I'm going to be having like a week of just cleaning up and organizing and optimizing, I might bring some shelves into my workshop and such. That'll give it at least a week to cure, and that way I wouldn't be as rushed to just get it done and then the very next day try it out for the video and scuff up the paint, because enamel paint takes a while to dry. Now, one thing that I was thinking, I was kind of split upon, was should I use caps for end pieces, or should I use like 90-degree noodle curls, I guess I'll call it, noodle angles, noodle brackets, there we go. But this cuts that way, so I'll be wrenching on it like that, and this feels far nicer than that. So I think having like that will be really nice, and this will give plenty of angle for it. Now if I had like a CNC machine, I might cut like a cross in there, because then I could put it and I could move it quarter and move it again. But you know, I just have an angle grinder and a couple other hand tools, so no reason to go insane. Yes. There we go. Before it wouldn't get past that little lip, but now it goes all the way in. Still a little bit of play, but, well, what are you gonna do, you know? Oh. A little bit more. Okay, so now I can lock that in there. And it comes out really easily. This is what I get for storing my pipe fittings underwater for several years. Oh well. When you fill buckets with stuff, it's hard to make them not fill up with water. It seems even drilling holes in the bottom sometimes doesn't help. Whew, that hurt. There we go. That works better. Kinda. Maybe not. There we go. That was it. That's straight. So now to see if this will even work. It is very well too. Oh, it's halfway through now. Still pretty sharp. Oh my God. That's what I've been wanting for like 2 weeks now. This has been holding me up. Oh, it's drilling this stupid ass hole. But now I can finally do it with those. So it's not the optimal temperature to paint and get a nice glossy finish, but oh well. I'm not too concerned about getting a glossy finish. It's not like that one helmet that I'm doing, which I haven't probably uploaded the video to that yet, because getting a perfect gloss finish by brush on that has been a pain in the butt. But for this, I'll expect it to conform to the metal. It's not too dirty. That's nice. Ooh, that's thick. Yeah, it might be a bit too cool to do this right now, but oh well. I'd gotten used to how the red interacted with metal, and so maybe this is easier. Oh, yeah, the black is easier. So weird. The red enamel paint is really temperamental. Really temperamental. So it wasn't just bad memory. This black stuff was easier to deal with. It's just going on so glossy. Or it could have been the red stuff that I got was just so, maybe like out of date. That could have been too. And that's it. So there were a few issues of places I didn't paint, but we can get that on this second pass. That might be it. I'm happy with that. Fuck you. Thinking these yellow ones might not last very long. So the ends are starting to fray. But oh well, there was like a $1.20 for this, so, and I've used it like 20 times now, so it's not too bad. It's been about 4 days. And this should be good. And it is. I'm happy with that. Well, that's pretty much it. I now have a handle so I can ream some holes. And I better get on with this project because it's been taking me too long to make this darn belt sander. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya. Nice if there was a way to keep this steady so it didn't just go around like that. Isn't that weird how it makes a hexagonal hole? And this has 5 sides. Done. Finally done with this. I'm glad. That was pretty useful. I'm glad I made that.